north central Illinois.
Until 6:15 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Walnut, 14 miles north of Ritson, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. A second severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Amboy, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amboy, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, West Brooklyn, and Lee Center, including the following Interstate 88 near mile marker 62. This includes Lee County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Watford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
Ha ha ha!